Find the remainder when 32 to the power of 32 to the power of 32 is divided by 7. Okay, I'll explain now. See here. Technique, what you have to use is 32 to the power of 32 I have to take. So this I can write as 2 to the power of 5 whole power 32. Okay, this I can write as 2 to the power of 160. Okay, now whatever you got this base, convert into 1 plus or 1 minus format. 1 plus or 1 minus. So this 2 can be written as 3 minus 1. This is we can write as 3 minus 1. But I cannot use 1 plus 1. If it is there, I have to convert this base, whatever base you get, that I have to convert into 1 plus or 1 minus. But it is 2 number. In this case, I cannot use 1 plus 1. Are you getting what I said? If you use 1 plus 1, no use. So what we use here, 3 minus 1 will be good. So whenever you is there, this question is there, you convert it base in this form. So after that, this is can be written as 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 to the power of 160. Now this format which you gave, that will give common. The previous format, whatever I explained, from that common is not getting. I have to get 3 common because I have 7 is there. So I have to use this way is the right approach. So what I do here, if I expand this one, what I get here, 160 C0. Okay, 300 to the 3 power 160 plus 160 C1. 300 to the power of 159. And you get minus 1. Expansion you know na, 160 C2, 3 to the power of 158 minus 1 square, like that. So plus so and so, what I am going to get here, 160 C 159. 159. What do you get here? 3 to the power of 1 and minus 1 to the power of 159. This power you will get. And plus 160 C 160 minus 1 power 160. Expansion, I am doing just expansion there. Right. So this I get as 3 to the power of 160 plus something here 160 C1. Don't find this value, no need to find. I get as minus into 3 power something. 3 power how much? 159 and plus 160 C2. 3 power how much here? 158 plus so and so. If I observe carefully, I get here minus 160 C 159. 3 power is 1. 3 power is 1 and I will get as here plus 160 C 160 is going to be 1. This value is going to be always 1. So finally you will reach here 1. And this is a multiple of 3 all. This is a multiple of 3 all. Yeah, this is whole 3. This is also no. Right? This is all the multiple of 3. If I take 3 common, I will get something inside. 3 will be taken common, I will get something inside. All that something is k. So I can write as 3 into k, okay, plus 1. This is 3 plus 1 I get. Plus 1 is outside. I will take 3 common from where to where, here to here only I can take common 3. So the 32 to the power of 32 came in this format. He did not ask that it is divisible by 7 for this one. So no need to do for this one as 7. So you got a format now. Now this format we will use in this to get the remainder. So till now you understood what I said. Please note down. I will explain. So here on this power, for this one, you got the form 3k plus 1. So now I am going to use that one. Okay. So what I do here, 32 to the power of 32 power 32. I can write as 32 to the power of 3k plus 1. This whole thing I can write as 3k plus 1. So format I got. Now that I am going to use it. Now I have to concentrate concentrate on 7 because now 7 is important. Divide by 7. So what I can write this one? 2 to the power of 5 whole power 3k plus 1. It means 2 to the power of 15k plus 5 I can write. But I have to get 3 common in this. I have to get what? 3 common. So to get 3 common, what I can write it? 2 to the power of 15k plus 3 into 2 square. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Right? So if I write like this, what happens here? What happens here? 2 to the power of 15k plus 3 into 4 I will get. I get this one as this is only now. Right? So 4 into I get as 2 to the power of, I can take here 3 common. I can write as 5k plus 1 I can write. Correct na? So I got how much? 2 cube? 8. So 4 into what I got here? 4 into 8 to the power of 5k plus 1 I got. Right? So 4 into 8 I can write as 7 minus 7 plus 1. 1 plus 7 otherwise. 1 plus 7 to the power of 5k plus 1 I will write. Now I can use the binomial expansion. So 5k plus 1 C0. 1 power you get a 1 only. Plus 5k plus 1 C1 power 7. 7 power 1. So here I am going to get 7 multiple. So 5k plus 1 C2. 5k plus 1 C2 into 7 square. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 C1 into 7. Likewise I will get at the end 5k plus 1 C 5k plus 1 I get as 7 to the power of 5k plus 1 I will get. So if you see that here to here this picture is a multiple of 7. Right. So I can write what here? I can write this one 4 into 1 plus 7 multiple something. 7 multiple something. So what I am getting, the answer is, remainder how much I am getting? I am getting here 4 plus 7 into 4 into m is, that is 4 into m is something again. Something. Right? 4 into m is something, some number. 4m you can write, you don't write, you can write 4m. But 7 into, if you want to write it 4m, no problem. It means that 7 into something is divided already. Remainder how much? 4. 4 is the remainder. So that's why we have to do this problem. This is the way to deal. Such kind of problems we will do like this. Tomorrow we will discuss about binomial coefficients, last topic of this chapter, and integral part. Okay.